Here for no 30 minutes, waiting for your damn mom? No, kill yourself. Die today. Death to you, bitch. Die. Not waiting for you. But I can't say that. If I say that, that makes like an ass.
Kevin Hart.
It's really weird being a comic, talk about your life, when people talk to you like they know you. I'm like, you realize I make a lot of that up. Seriously, man. I love my job. I love being a comic. People mess with you. Being a comic, people ask you to tell them a joke. Right? That's a big thing. Tell me a joke. So I tell them jokes, but I tell them the dumbest jokes in the world. It kind of messes with their mind because they wonder how I make a living.